2026 is shaping up to be a huge year for the automotive world. Every major brand seems to be pushing limits. More power, smarter tech, cleaner energy, and bolder design. So buckle up, because we're counting down the top 10 most impressive cars you'll actually want to drive in 2026. At number 10, we start with the 2026 Honda Civic Type R. Honda's iconic hot hatch gets sharper aerodynamics, lighter materials, and a mild hybrid assist that gives you more torque off the line. It's still manual, still thrilling, but now cleaner and even quicker. Number 9. The 2026 Mazda RX Vision concept, finally coming to life as a production coupe. Mazda's bringing back the rotary in hybrid form. Think sleek design, perfect balance, and that signature rotary hum, all wrapped in a futuristic shell. It's passion on wheels. Number 8. 2026 Ford Mustang Mach-E GT Plus. Ford's electric SUV keeps its muscle car spirit alive with dual-motor AWD, over 600 horsepower, and track-tuned handling. It proves that electric doesn't have to mean boring. Sliding into number 7, the 2026 Chevrolet Corvette Zora EV. Chevy's pushing performance to the edge. An all-electric super Corvette rumored to hit 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds. It's the kind of car that makes you rethink everything you know about speed. At number 6, meet the 2026 Range Rover Electric. The king of luxury off-roaders goes fully electric while keeping its royal feel. Silent, smooth, and shockingly capable. You'll glide over mud in total silence. Number 5. 2026 Porsche 911 Hybrid. Porsche's blending gasoline precision with electric assist for instant power and unbeatable efficiency. It's still every bit a 911, only faster, cleaner, and more future-proof. Number 4. The 2026 Tesla Roadster 2.0. Delayed, teased, but finally real. SpaceX-inspired acceleration, insane range, and looks that melt traffic lights. Whether you love or hate Tesla, you can't ignore this beast. Cracking the top 3, the 2026 Toyota Baby Land Cruiser. Compact, rugged, and hybrid-powered, this little SUV brings adventure to the everyday driver. It's a Land Cruiser for a new generation. Stylish, efficient, and ready for dirt or downtown. Number 2. 2026 Mercedes-Benz EQG, the electric G-Wagon. Same boxy legend, but now powered by 4 electric motors. It climbs, crawls, and conquers, all while emitting 0 emissions and 100% attitude. And finally, number 1, the 2026 Aston Martin Valhalla. A plug-in hybrid supercar that mixes F1 tech with British elegance. Its twin-turbo V8 and electric motors deliver nearly 1,000 horsepower. It's not just a car, it's art in motion. So there you have it. 10 cars that prove 2026 isn't just another model year. It's a glimpse into the future of driving. Which one would you take for a spin first? Drop your pick in the comments. Hit that like button if you love cars as much as we do. And don't forget to subscribe for more automotive adventures every week.